Hello everyone. We will be starting with Hello everyone. We will be starting with the Vision IS weekly focus and the topic is Web 3.0. It's a very important topic in the science and tech area, we all know, in the pre as well as in the mains both. So, let's start. Revolution in the making. So, what do we know about Web 3.0? Web 3.0, the idea is that of course, if there's 3.0, there has to be 1.0, 2.0, and then comes 3.0. So let's understand what was 1.0. So web 1.0, as we can see here, that it was read-only web. What we mean by read-only web is that it we could only few people created web pages and we could go into the web browser and read through the articles that we used to do that we do is a part of web 1.0, that is user centralized server and user they access the read only web through the centralized server, and from there we can find the information very easily. So what all it contains, if we go about web 1.0, we have just a minute. So if we are saying web 1.0, what does it contain? It contains browser, definitely, from where we can read stuff, emails. Not, you cannot say emails. I'll say browser of many kinds. There was this Java technology. So these are read only. So if we have to understand about Web 1.0, it will be read only. So what it was, allowing them to access facts, information, and content from the sources. Okay. The idea behind it was to find information easily. That was the idea behind Web 1.0. Now we go about Web 2.0. What was Web 2.0? If we have to categorize Web 2.0, we'll say it was read, write, web. So in Web 1.0, we could only read. In Web 2.0, it is read, write, web. That means there we could generate content. We could generate content on our own. And what content it was all? Like social networking. We were generating content. So what we were doing? We were networking with other people. In Web 1.0, it was a one-way system. But in Web 2.0, it was a two-way system. It led to innovations such as smartphones, internet access through mobile, etc. Now let's see what is Web 3.0. So now we've understood what is Web 1.0 and Web 2.0. We'll now understand what is Web 3.0. This is read, write, execute web. Read, write, execute. So in this, what all do we have? We have um, financial transactions. So this is a user interface. No need of what we had here was a centralized server. What we had here was a centralized server. But what do we have here is no centralized server. So, so what do we entail from all these? That Web 3.0 has financial transactions, financial transactions, without any centralizing or a coordinator. Right here, coordinator. This is the idea behind Bitcoin. We all know Bitcoin follows our decentralized policy of blockchain. So, so this is our the basic understanding of Web 1.0, Web 2.0, and Web 3.0. Now let's delve into it. So what it exactly means. So what are the defining features of Web 3.0? First of all, we saw features of Web 3.0, that it is decentralized. Blockchain, there is no coordinating authority or a centralized server. So it is decentralized. It is peer-to-peer interconnection. I'm sorry. Peer-to-peer interconnection. It uses blockchain. So this is where the world is moving away from the centralizing authority. The user maintain ownership. Very important. User maintain ownership over their data and digital assets and are able to log in securely over the internet without being tracked. So it is untrackable. This is trustless, obviously. If you cannot track anyone, how can you trust someone? So obviously it's very muddy situation we are going into where privacy and security is so high that you don't know who the other person is with whom you're interacting. So it's not at all trustworthy. We'll call it trustless. Permissionless. We don't need permission from anyone. So it is permissionless. It allows everyone to participate without authorization, forming a governing body or a central authority. Now, semantic web. What is semantic web? Semantic web improves the abilities of web technologies to generate, share, and connect content through search and analysis by understanding the meaning of words rather than by keywords or numbers. So, what they do? Uh, Semantics. If we have to understand what is semantic web, we'll have to understand what semantic is. Semantic is study of language. Study of language considering I love India. I love India. We know the syntax this is for love. So, yes, the semantic web would be able to see past the syntax, understand the underlying meaning. See past the syntax and understand the underlying meaning. This would enable seamless natural communication between humans and computer systems. Now, so what will it do? It will lead to seamless communication between humans and computer system. Fifth is ubiquitous. It refers to the concept of existing or being present in multiple places simultaneously. Just a second. Ubiquitous. What does this word entail? Concept of existing or being present in multiple places. That is omnipresence. So, internet will no longer be limited to desktops or smartphones as it was with Web 2.0. Most things around will be connected online via Internet of Things and edge computing. So the two keywords you need to understand is most of the things will be connected through Internet of Things. UPSC is all about keywords. Internet of Things and edge computing. You have to get a good grasp on the keywords. So that means it can be accessed from anywhere with anything. Can be accessed from anywhere with anything. Yeah, I will stick to this. Maybe I'll get luck. So the first question, important question we have to realize is metaverse. We all know Facebook. The company changed from Facebook to Meta, and it has Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, everything contains in the Meta. And we all know that the founder of Facebook is on the way of creating metaverse. Metaverse is a 3D virtual world. So what is metaverse? It is a 3D virtual world. 3D virtual world where you can interact with 3D friends, objects, and places. That means you can play games with the friends from creators, ground, etc. It uses technologies. Technology it uses is XR. This is extended reality. Extended reality has mixed reality plus virtual reality plus augmented reality. So metaverse uses XR. Um, it also uses blockchain, NFTs, etc. On the other hand, Web 3.0 is basically decentralized internet. Again, I'm sorry for being so lofty headed. Okay. Which uses technologies like blockchain, mixed reality, Internet of Things, etc. So both Metaverse and Web 3.0 use similar technology in their structure and consequently have same intersection in usage, description, etc. But they are different entities with different objectives. Metaverse is a virtual world and Web 3.0 is the next iteration of Internet. So is Metaverse same as Web 3.0? No. Metaverse is a virtual world, while Web 3.0 is the next iteration of Internet. So, your Web 3.0 offers a more realistic cyber world instead of a simple two-dimensional web at present. So, we have to understand about some key terms. Blockchain. What is blockchain? Blockchain is that you give an input and that input creates another input and it goes on creating a chain of inputs wherein your data is stored in a cryptic manner which needs no centralized authority and that can be shared to anyone. I can share it with anyone and they won't know its source because it has so many stages. So this is blockchain. So what is blockchain? It is a distributed database or a ledger that is shared among the nodes of a computer network. This is blockchain. Now what is artificial intelligence? What is blockchain? AI is the simulation of human intelligence in machines. AI is very easy. We have seen AI for so long that we all are aware of what is AI. It is a simulation of human intelligence in machines, which are programmed to think like humans. Now, Internet of Things. It is the concept of connecting any device to the internet and to other connected devices. So, Internet of Things is a giant network of connected things and people. Okay. Now, what is edge computing? Edge computing is the practice of capturing, processing, and analyzing data near to where it is created instead of doing the same on a centralized server. It enables the processing at greater speeds and volume, leading to greater action led results in real time. So, what is edge computing? We know what cloud computing? Yes. So, it's this Similar version of edge computing. We have a cloud network here, okay, and we have a server here, or yes, a laptop. Your laptop is connected to the cloud where you store stuff. Now, this cloud can be accessed from your other devices, from your other laptop or your smartphone, okay, through Wi-Fi. So this is through Wi-Fi. Now this sharing of data without connecting your device to other devices through an exterior medium of cloud is edge computing. Now you can connect it to any number of devices through your cloud. It's created instead of doing the same on a centralized server. Now mixed reality. Mixed reality Mixed reality is basically a combination of augmented reality plus virtual excuse me combination of augmented reality and virtual reality. So what is augmented reality? Augmented reality um, augmented reality is basically we use a smartphone. So you must have noticed there was an app through Snapchat or through Instagram that if you open a picture and you direct that camera to your surrounding, you will see a superimposition of a character, say a cheetah, in that scene of your room. The cheetah is not there in your room, but your phone shows a cheetah in your room. That is augmented reality. That is, it it adds or augments. That's how you'll remember it. It adds or augments digital element to a live view. We have seen its live action through our various apps. Virtual reality is where there's a set of goggles which you wear and you are transported into another 3D world where you will feel like you are walking on a hill while walking on your floor on your room. So that is virtual reality. It replaces real life environment with a simulated one. With a simulated one. Now this is mixed reality and all those stuff. What is NFT? You must have heard about NFT. That people are earning so much from selling and buying NFTs. NFT is basically non-fungible token. So what it is? It's a token. What happens? Let's say there's an art. There's an art of a let's say it's an awful balloon, but let's say an art of a balloon. Now what I'll do, I'll create a blockchain of this art. I'll create a blockchain of this art and I'll put it on bidding on these sites. The site called Ethereum or any other site. From there, people will bid on it and people will buy it. Now, this art, digital art, has become an NFT. It's non-fungible. You cannot touch it because it's not fungible, but it has created a token for a non-fungible item. Now it's an NFT. NFT are representation of ownership of unique items. So whoever has bought this art is the owner of this art now and he has an NFT of that art. So one of a kind trading card. So what it is? It's a one of a kind trading card. Okay. Hmm. So how will Web 3.2 transform digital era? Very simple. It's a decentralized economy or a decentralized whole system is decentralized. So what's the first thing that comes to our mind in a decentralized? The middlemen intermediaries have been eliminated. So you can do whatever without these parties or giving money to them. Users gaining control over their data, ensured privacy and security of the user, individualized and richer user experience. So there are so many things involved like XR, extended reality, higher degree of connectivity, mixed reality, faster computing speed. All of that makes it a highly gratifying web experience. So it's also creating a new creator economy. So yeah. So what's happening in the YouTube era? Creators are dependent on big corporations like media companies. So what Web 3.2 is doing? It's creating a platform. It's creating a platform for people where they can post their content without being without that platform being owned by anyone. So it's their own content. Imagine an ad-free version of YouTube where wherever you view, share or download the song, money directly goes to its creators. Okay. So it's a new economy that's building up. And we are calling it new creator economy. New creator economy. And so they are removing platform dependency or control and creating local networks. Um, so what are the challenges? It's difficult to regulate decentralized, remember? Unlimited accessibility due to higher users cost, potential environmental implications, slow adoption process. It requires a technical barrier is there, obviously, because it's a complex technical documentation. So it will take time. Scalability is a huge issue. Yeah. Everything will have to be upgraded. Yes. Mm. So we'll end this 3.0 web here only. We understood what web 3.0 is. It's about write, read, and what was the third one? It was execute. Yes, that's what we were missing. Execute. Um, Thank you so much for watching. We'll come up with new videos, better ones, and have patience. We'll crack UPSC together. 2023 is ours. Nobody can take that away from us. Let's keep ourselves highly motivated and work towards that goal. Thank you so much.